Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Okay, so how are you doing? Are you great? Are you good? Are you fantastic? I hope so. Okay, so for today, I want you to please pay a lot of attention and listen very carefully because I'm about to tell you a beautiful story. Yes, this is a beautiful story. It is in the Bible. So let's see. The 7 days of creation. This is in the Bible, Genesis chapter 1 and 2. So let's start. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was empty, formless, and dark. But the Spirit of God was there. On the first day, God said, "Let there be light." And God saw that the light was good. Then he separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day and the darkness night. So God made the light and called it day. The darkness he called night. Let's continue. On the second day, God said, "Let there be a space to separate the waters of the heavens from the waters of the earth." God called the space sky. God made the sky which separated the water on the earth from the water above the earth, right? On the third day, God said, "Let the waters beneath the sky flow together into one place, so dry ground may appear." God called the dry ground land, and the waters seas. And God saw that it was good. God gathered the waters into seas and called the dry ground land. Then God blessed the land, right? And it produced vegetation. On the fourth day, God said, "Let lights appear in the sky to separate the day from the night." God made two great lights, the sun for the day and the moon for the night. He also made the stars. God set these lights in the sky to light the earth, and God saw that it was good. God made two great lights, the sun to govern the day and the moon to govern the night. He also made stars. On the fifth day, God said, "Let the waters swarm with fish and other life. Let the skies be filled with birds of every kind." And God saw that it was good. God filled the seas with living creatures and the skies with birds, right? Yes, let's continue what happened on the sixth day. On the sixth day, God said, "Let the earth make every sort of animal." God made all sorts of wild animals, livestock, and small animals, each able to have babies of the same kind. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let us make man in our image, to be like us." So God created man in his own image. He formed man from the dust of the ground. He breathed the breath of life into man, and a man became alive. He saw that the man needed a helper, so God put man into a deep sleep. And while he slept, God took one of the man's ribs. Then God made a woman from the rib and brought her to the man. Then God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful, and multiply. Fill the earth and rule over it. Rule over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, and all the animals that scurry along the ground. Then God said, "Look, I have given you every plant throughout the earth, and all the fruit trees for your food. And I have given you every green plant as food for all the animals." Then God looked over all he had made, and he saw that it was very good. So the creation of the heavens and the earth and everything in them was done. God blessed the land, and it produced living creatures of all kinds, tame, wild, and crawling. Then God created man and woman in his own image. So, on the seventh day, God rested from all his work, and God blessed the seventh day and said it was holy. God blessed the seventh day and made it holy, and he rested from all his work of creating. Thank you very much for paying attention and listening to this awesome story. If you want to know more about this beautiful story, you can search in your Bible for chapter 1 and 2 in the book of Genesis. And you can know more details about the creation. Yes, remember that God created all of us, right? So, thank you once again, and I'll see you in live classes. Goodbye. Take care. See you soon.